you like subtracted 6 from 16 instead of adding 6? See what you do, subtracted 6 from this instead of adding. That's not really fraction. Actually, oh, you need to start at point flip form. Negative 6 is negative. Which one did you use? The 4 and 6. You did it. Okay. Well, 6 over 5 is not going to be 6. Yeah, but I'm multiplying it by 5. So it should be 6 times 5 in the numerator, which is 30. Oh, wow. Yep. 14 over 5. 14 over 5. You got 14 over 5, right? Okay. I want to say for the most part we all got it. The fractions make it difficult, right? Those are 2 bad. We have one more thing we want to talk about. This is easy compared to standard form. So describe what a horizontal line is. So on a graph, horizontal line looks like this. Bam. That's supposed to be horizontal, not slanted. Okay. So if I'm writing the equation of horizontal line, I think horizontal line intersects which axis? The y-axis. So when I write the equation, I write y equals wherever it actually crosses at. So if this was like 6, this horizontal line is the equation y equals 6. Vertical lines work the exact same way. So vertical lines are straight up and down, so if it's like right there. Vertical lines intersect which axis? The x-axis, so it's the same thing, it's just x equals that specific number. So in my case, this would be like -5. So this equation would be x equals -5. So when you write horizontal vertical lines, they might say write in slope-intercept form, point-slope form, or standard form for horizontal vertical line. This is just the only form that you can even write a horizontal or vertical line in. Okay. So write the equation of horizontal line that passes through this point. So horizontal line, is it y equals or x equals? Y equals. Because it has to cross the y-axis. And then looking at the points, basically we just want the y value, which is 3. So it has to be y equals 3. Done. Here's the next part. So this is the vertical line. Is it y equals or x equals? It has to be x equals. Yeah, and it's crossing the x-axis at -2, so x equals -2. Done. So you should be like super slow. Okay? Alright. So there's that. I'm not sure if we're doing custom yet or not. How about this side? For what? Interesting.